Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm testing out the Chanel Le Volume de Chanel mascara, and this is what it looks like. And I have seen so many reviews on YouTube and everyone is saying how amazing this is, and they're raving about it and saying it's their favourite Holy Grail mascara, and I decided I was going to go ahead and pick this up and see how it goes. Now I have tried out a couple of things from Chanel and I am really liking them, especially at the moment. There are some products that they've released that are really good, so I do have very high hopes for this and I'm hoping that it's going to be as good as everyone says. At the moment I am loving my Maybelline Lash Lift mascara, and that is so good. I think that's like £10 in a drugstore. It's super affordable, it is amazing, makes my lashes look super long, super thick, super full. I did do a first impression on it which I'll link down below also in this video for you so you can check it out. But I am going to be comparing that mascara to this mascara because this is £28 and that one is £10. So I'm going to see if this lives up to all of the amazing reviews that I've seen, because I haven't seen any negative reviews. Everyone's been saying how much they love it, so I'm going to see if this does live up to it and see if it is actually better than my £10 Maybelline mascara, because honestly that one is so good and this really needs to be amazing for it to actually beat that. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And the shade that I have in the mascara is black, which is Noir, and this is number 10. They also have a brown one and they also have a blue one, and on the website it says a mascara that offers instant volume for the very first stroke for longer, plumper and thicker lashes. Lashes are coated in deep colour, giving eyes a wide open look. The perfect union of brush and formula for intense volume. The brush, which was developed exclusively for Chanel, sculpts volume thanks to its discs that are stacked and oriented for an impeccable finish. The quick dry fluid formula helps to build a customised volume result. And then it also says it has a blend of waxes for instant volume, film forming agents to preserve the suppleness of lashes and offer an even volume result. And it's also safe for contact lens wearers. This just says to apply from roots to tips of lashes, and it says to use it over the base mascara, which I don't have because I don't use a primer when I use my mascaras. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it's very simple, just has Chanel on there, then it also has the CCs on the end there, so it's not really anything spectacular or anything like that. But I don't base a mascara on the packaging, I base it on how it works. So we're going to go ahead and see how this goes, and I'm really excited to try it out. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and we're going to apply it to my lashes. So I'm all zoomed in and this is what my eyelashes look like naturally. I don't have any mascara or anything like that on them, they are completely clean. And yeah, there's not really a lot to it because my eyelashes aren't super long or anything like that, and I have curled them because that's what I do with all of my mascaras. Every single day I will curl my eyelashes, so it's not anything different for me. And I do have a sample size of the mascara, which is this one, and this is what I'm going to be using today just because I have opened quite a few mascaras and I don't feel like I need another full-size product to be open, because I know that I'm not going to end up using either that one or all of my other mascaras that I have open. So I have decided to use a sample size. It's exactly the same wand and everything like that, it's just in a sample size so you can take it for travel. And this is what the brush looks like, so it's absolutely massive and there's not really a lot to it. It just looks like there's bristles exactly the same around the whole of it, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So it's huge, and I have a feeling, oh look at that, it's massive compared to my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and do one coat on one of my eyes and we're going to see what it looks like. So this is what one coat of the mascara looks like, and I feel like it looks so nice, it looks so pretty, and I'm actually impressed with it with just one coat. I feel like it looks really good. It has length for my eyelashes, it hasn't thickened them at the moment, which is something they does say that it's going to do, but that is only one coat, and I do tend to do about 2 or 3 coats with my mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and do 3 coats just to see how it builds up, because that's what I do with all of my mascaras. But yeah, at the moment I am liking it and I do feel like it looks pretty good. And this is what 2 coats of the mascara looks like, and I really like it. I feel like it's done really well. Now I have noticed that with this it is, I think, rubber bristles, because I did notice that when I'm doing a rolling motion on the inner part, then it does sort of feel like it is rubber, like you can feel it on your eyes, but it's not anything that does irritate it or anything like that. It looks really good. I'm so happy with the way that it looks. So I'm going to quickly do a third coat, because that's what I do with all of my mascaras, and this apparently dries very quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and do a third coat and see what it looks like. And this is what 3 coats of the mascara looks like, and I am loving it. I feel like my eyelashes look super long, super thick. Now with the third coat, I did notice that it did start to go very spidery on the outer part, so I would just do 2 coats if I did want to have a really big full sash effect. But I feel like it looks really nice, honestly. Just look at how long my eyelashes are there. I do feel like it looks really good, and I'm really impressed with it, so it is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lashes, and then we'll see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like with the bottom lashes done as well, and I really like the way that this looks. Now I did get a bit of mascara right down there, so we'll just clean that off in a little bit after it's dried. So I am loving it. I feel like it looks so good, and I'm really impressed with how it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'm going to come back and give you my final first impression and let you know how I feel about it. So I've just finished off my mascara, and this is what it looks like. And honestly, I really like the way this mascara looks, and I feel like my eyelashes look so nice. They look super thick, full and long, and it does remind me of the Maybelline Lash Lift mascara that I'm loving at the moment. It does seem very comparable to it, so I think what I might end up doing is do a comparison between the both of them and do one on one eye and the other on the other one, just to see what it looks like. But that one is actually less than half the price of this mascara. It is £28, so it is pretty expensive for a mascara, but I really like the way that my lashes look. I don't have super long lashes or anything like that naturally, and this just makes my eyelashes look so good, and I'm really happy with it. So I did notice that when I was going in with the third coat, it did start to look clumpy on the outer lashes, and I feel like with the 2 coats it would just look perfect anyway, and I would be good to go. It's just because I usually do 3 coats of mascara when I go out, and I just wanted to test to see if it was buildable. So it does actually dry very quickly, like it mentioned, so that is something to bear in mind if you are layering this mascara. Make sure that you work very quickly with it. But actually, I like the way it looks. Even though that I can tell that they are a little bit spidery here, I still like the way that it looks. And my eyes do look really wide-eyed, just like it mentioned in the description. And with the mascara wand, it is absolutely massive. It's not the biggest mascara one that I've tried, but it is pretty huge, as you can see, right compared to my eye. So this is what it looks like. So it looks exactly the same all the way around it, so you just have the tip on the end, but it looks exactly the same all the way around. I did use a sample size one just because I already have this, and I didn't really want to open up a new mascara because I already have a couple open, and I know that if I opened a brand new mascara then I wouldn't really get the use out of this one or the other ones that I've opened. So I did use a sample size, and I'm really happy that I did, because I really want to test out to see how it is. And like I mentioned, I do feel this is very comparable to my Maybelline Lash Lift mascara, so I'm probably going to end up doing a video on the comparison between the two, because they are completely different price points. Like I mentioned, this one's £28, the Maybelline one's about £10, so there is quite a big difference in price. But I do really want to try those out to see if this one is better than the Maybelline one. I will be testing this mascara out quite a lot because I do really like it, and I want to see the best way to apply it and how it goes throughout the rest of the day and see things like that, so I can do a really good comparison. So if you've been thinking about buying this mascara for a while, I say go ahead and get it, because it is really good, and I'm really interested in trying out the other Chanel mascara that they have. I think it's the Le Volume Stretch, which is meant to make your eyelashes even longer. So I feel like because I like this one so much, I might end up testing out that one as well and see how it goes. So what I'm going to do is wear this throughout the rest of the day. I'll also put down below in the info section how it goes. I'll let you know if it flakes or if it budges or anything like that. So overall, my first impression of the Le Volume de Chanel mascara, I absolutely love this stuff. It gets very big 2 thumbs up from me, and I do feel like it's really good. I feel like at the moment it's worth the money, but like I mentioned, I will compare it to my Maybelline one because that is less than half the price, and it is really good. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've tried out this mascara, and if you like it or if you don't, just comment down below to let me know. And if there are any other products that you want me to test out for a first impression, also let me know down below in the comment section as well. And make sure that you give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!